Actually, I mean, it's my first time in World Book Fair, so it's been a nice experience. I mean, I came here like 1 hour ago, so there's a lot of stalls going on, and there's different kind of publication are there. So experienced like a lot of diversity are there. Even in this stall, there's like so many books from foreign in foreign language as well. So it's kind of nice being here.
Is there any specific genre which you are looking for, or which you are?
Yeah, I'm based on like I like fiction a lot. So actually, and I'm also try to learn new languages so that I can explore more in another languages as well. So
What kind of which language? Like
yeah, I want to learn like French. I'm learning French, and I also like many European languages like French. I mean, I also like Spanish as well. So that's the kind of thing that I'm looking for. I mean, with increase in technology, I mean, definitely it's gonna decrease with time. But the thing is, while reading in hard copy, it's kind of nice that we can explore. I mean, the smell of the book. I mean, they cannot experience that. But if they are reading in like Kindle and all, like storybook, they know the book, but they cannot experience the book. But it's my opinion. I mean, but the thing is, I mean, I like reading in books, hard copy. But for some people, they prefer audio book. With the time constraint as well, they also prefer audio as well. So, yeah, thank you.